Hi everybody, it's Nadia here again, and as the title suggests, I am bringing to you a tutorial on some new Holo eyeshadows. So basically I got this inspiration off Simple Nailological, and she obviously showed how holographic these eyeshadows were. So I went onto the website and I ordered 3 of them. I didn't go for silver because I was like, that is way too easy to actually turn around and say that's holographic. So the colours I chose was a gold, a green and a pink. Me being they're $22 each, plus I had to pay for shipping. So we've all heard the stories about how holographic packaging and everything like that, and it's not, it becomes iridescent. But for me, it was like, when I saw the swatches, when you actually, if you go into Simply Nailological's video and actually watch it, it is absolutely amazing. Now, she goes into all the details of the ingredients. She wasn't happy or comfortable enough to actually put it on her eyes, which I was, because they are eyes, face and body. And these are called Liquid Holo Unicorn Shadows Eyes, Face and Body from the Super Chic. Now this is the packet, so this makes you think, yes, it shifts all the colours. These are extremely runny. They do take a lot to dry down, and I mean a lot. So I'm just going to show you her video of showing us. So guys, I'm going to show you on my iPad what she has said, and basically you will see what I mean.
What we're here to do today is to test out something new. Something that may potentially be actual holographic makeup. These are Liquid Holo Unicorn Shadows that just came out on the market. This is the box, and this is the component. You see, Simply Face Logical, it's learning her lingo. They are made by Super Chic Lacquer.
So, as you saw, they were super shiny, super holographic, and I was like, yes. At long last, we've got the holographic. So I was blown away. You do actually see her, she puts it on her cheek as highlight, and I'm like, that is amazing. If that's true, then it would be so nice to be able to tap it on your eyes and be done with it. Now, I'm not knocking Simple Nailological. I don't know whether it's because of the colours that I actually brought, because she does actually show a lot of the silver ones, whereas obviously I've got the coloured ones. But when I look at them, they shift. They do colour shift. And again, you really have to shake them. And they do colour shift. So, no lies, no it doesn't or anything. I don't think you're gonna see. You might be able to see on this one. She says it does shift colour. You know, it looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to do the tutorial now, and then I'm going to come back at the end and explain my final thoughts. So guys, I'm just going to dive in with a few transition shades to start off with. First of all, I've got my foundation base on, and I'm going to go in with the Essence base. Now, with this product, with some of the ingredients, it would be wise to check whether or not you're okay with them. So I'm going in with the mini palette. I haven't used this at all, so I'm just going to take some transition colours from here before I put on the glitter. Then I'm going to go in this one just here, and then I'm just going to put it in just in the crease. Just switch it back and forth. So that's perfect for me, so I'm going to go off camera and do the other one. Then I'm taking this darkest brown outer corner. So I'm just with the second blending brush, I'm just gonna seamlessly blend these. There's no instructions on how to apply them, but give it a go, as they say. I think I'm going to use the gold one, and this is called Hide and Seek. Oh, these don't smell nice. They're still supposed to be eye safe, face, eyes. So a little brush and just hopefully before it sets. That is not holographic, guys. That really isn't. So I saw, yeah, no, I don't care. This is not holographic at all. It's just a cream eyeshadow in a liquid form. Not impressed. They really do smell. I get a lot of playtime with it, so at all. I put it all the way down here. I don't want to put it into my inner corners because A, of the smell and some of the ingredients are not, and I don't want it in my eyes. So copper just there. How I like that. See, that was so much better. I just wish I'd gone in with that. So guys, this is the finished eyeshadow look, and I don't like it. It's not iridescent, it's not anything, it's just rubbish. I don't know how anybody could say these are anything but just a cream shadow. So, and I can't work with that. So what I'm going to do is just take off the eyeshadow and start again. And I'm going to leave this bit in. I'm going to redo my eyes. And so I'm just taking the white one again, just to set that base down. And then I think I'm going to just put the purple one on top without, what do you call it? Without putting any other eyeshadows on, and sort of use this as the main focus. So look like I've got a bruised eye now. Do lose the pigment when you blend it out. So yeah, it's still exactly the same. There's no iridescent, there's no shifting of colour at all. Just gonna leave that as it is and let it dry. I'll have to keep shaking it every time. You can feel it not drying. It's not drying at all. I don't know why you'd want to put this on your face at all. I was so hoping this would work out, guys. I really was. And it just hasn't. Waiting for it to dry still. I look like I got panda eyes. Lilac that's in the palette, just slightly where it's on the crease part. And then I think in the middle part of my eye I'm going to take this colour just here. So guys, this is the look I've come up with, and it's the only one that is actually feasible, wearable. So it still looks nice. I'm just not that impressed with it. I'm actually going to reconceal and finish getting ready, basically. Back when I've got my lashes on and my lipstick. So guys, obviously you would have seen my attempts at the two videos, or the attempt of the look that I'm wearing. I cannot believe that they are saying that the 17 colours that they have got have all got holographic in them. They are not. These are the swatches that have taken 5 minutes to dry down, and they are not holographic at all. Nothing at all. Let me put my light on. They do absolutely nothing. And the thing that I'm most annoyed about is, if I'd have realised that it was only the silver ones, then why do they have colour ones? And if you actually go onto the website, it's actually really hard to tell what colour you're picking, because yes, these two, but I wouldn't have brought a green. It didn't look green. It doesn't say it's called green at all. This is called Tag Along. This one is called Hide and Seek, and then we've got Pinky Promise. And seriously, they also send with that these little stoppers, but I don't understand them, because guys, if you put the stoppers in, you can't get the doe foot applicator out. So it's like, how does that work? So I don't know what to do with the stopper, because the stopper is way too small. It's got a little, I would say it's about the size of the bobby pin head that you can, you know, when they've got the round bobble on top. That's it. So for me, I can't believe, and I'm really not having a go at Simple Analogical. I really wish that she'd have looked into the darker colours as well, because they're not holographic at all. Don't care, they are not. As you will see in my video, they are not holographic. They are, seriously, these are the worst things in my life that I've actually tried on YouTube, and I can't even begin to describe what I would use them for. You know, you can't even, what's the word? You can't can't use them for a base because it takes too long. But it was a mess. The first one was just a total mess. So I wiped it off, restarted. So guys, this is the look that I've got going. And it does nothing. Can you see Holo? Because I really can't see anything. And for such a big YouTuber to be saying that these are holographics and they cost me about £70 for these 3. I'm so disappointed. And people are going to go, well, why did you go with what she says? Well, obviously, if something's holographic, everybody in the makeup industry wants us to have holographic, except for they're coming out with iridescence, which is just a shift from one colour to another. Holo is the multicoloured shift. So, I'm just like, why? Basically, I don't understand it. I don't get the concept of them. So, the ingredients aren't brilliant. My eyes are so dry, it is unbelievable. They have got alcohol in them. But again, these aren't what you expect. Not at all. So that is my rant on the unicorn shadows that are a load of rubbish. So wouldn't recommend these to anybody. So guys, if you enjoyed this honest review on these shadows, then give us a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and everything will be a-okay. So guys, I'll now see you in my next video. Bye!